To begin, you'll need a hosting plan. Head over to this link on screen right here, or click the first link in the video description. That link will make sure you're getting the best price on any plan that you choose. Once you go to that link, you'll see 3 plans. There's Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. Premium is the cheapest option and covers the basics. You can build a few websites, you get a free domain, it includes WordPress, the website builder, and some Horizons credits. If you're on a tight budget and just need one simple website, Premium is great for that. Business is the plan I'd recommend to most people. You get a lot more room to grow, daily backup so your work is always protected, and it unlocks features like Node.js web apps, which matters if you ever want to deploy something beyond a standard website. In my opinion, this is the plan with the best value. Cloud Startup is the high-performance plan. Unless you're already getting serious web traffic, you probably don't need this plan to start out. I'll go with the business plan. Go ahead and click on Choose Plan for the plan that fits your needs the best. After that, you'll go through the checkout process, create a Hostinger account, and land on Hostinger's onboarding page. The onboarding will ask you a couple of basic questions about what you're building. Just answer those questions and Hostinger will set everything up for you.